Breaking MicroStrategy's $2 billion Bitcoin buy, what it means for BTC prices. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. We just got news of a new $2 billion buy for BTC, and it came out right after my last video. I'm filming another one real quick, so this is going to be a quick update. Someone just announced they're looking to buy another $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. The market is moving up at this point, and maybe we get rejected right here, but I mentioned in my last video that there are a number of shorts building up. We could see a big move back up to 64, 65, 66,000, and we're seeing that like minutes after I just recorded the last video. Like I said, we just got news that someone is going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin. When that happens, people take notice and say, I want to buy before that company buys, or that nation buys, or that entity buys, and it causes a massive move up that also liquidates shorts. Let me show you what's happening. If you don't mind, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can see future videos just like this. You can also trade cryptocurrency on various platforms. Of course, always read their terms and conditions, but you can get started in just a few seconds by putting in a username, a password, and checking their terms and conditions. You can start trading right away. Some platforms also have deposit bonus events right now. You can read how much you can get in free USDT based on your trading volume and net deposit amount. Now, this just came out from MicroStrategy's earnings, and Michael Saylor said they're trying to buy another $2 billion of Bitcoin. They're going to do an at-the-money offering, so they're going to dilute shareholders to buy more Bitcoin. But MicroStrategy uses leverage intelligently to increase its Bitcoin per share. Basically, they've been able to add more Bitcoin than they're diluting. So if you're a shareholder in over a year, you can buy 8% more Bitcoin, but they only dilute shareholders by 4%. You're getting more BTC per share, which is a beautiful thing. That's what they're doing. There's also a 10-to-1 split coming up next week, which is interesting. I think that's part of the reason why Bitcoin is moving up right now. Again, maybe I have egg on my face by the time I release this because I am going to wait a little bit since I just posted a video, but maybe we're back down. The cool thing about this is this chart right here. MicroStrategy was a $1.2 billion company 4 years ago. Now, it's $32 billion. It has grown 26.6 times in market cap. This company has been able to buy 226,000 BTC, and right now Bitcoin's price is around $65,000. They hold $14.77 billion in Bitcoin. If a $1.2 billion company can buy 10 times or 12 times their market cap in 4 years, and they've given away the playbook on how to do this, and actually explode in terms of market cap and value, other companies will try to do the same thing. We've seen that already with other companies like Galaxy Digital and Marathon Digital Holdings. Just think about all the companies that could do this. Maybe this cycle 10 companies do it 20, but the next cycle or sometime in the future, there will be hundreds. If a $1 billion company can buy $15 billion worth of Bitcoin, just think about what a $10 billion or $40 billion company can do, especially if they shift the main focus of their business to buying more Bitcoin. They might have a good cash-flowing business like Palantir, which cash flows more than MicroStrategy does. They could get their hands on way more BTC if they tried. MicroStrategy is the world's 727th most valuable company by market cap, and that's after they've gone up 26 times. Think about the bigger companies, and that's the cool thing about BTC. Right now, this news has pushed up Bitcoin's price $1,200 without them even doing the buying, just the news that they're going to buy $2 billion worth of BTC. Think about all the money out there, all the market cap that is going to be vying for BTC. That's crazy. People look at Bitcoin and think it's too risky, too volatile. But there's a lot of capital and a lot of debt out there. Companies can issue debt to buy BTC, taking money from the future and putting it into BTC right now. Look at all the debt, all the companies, all the equity, all the cash flows, and all the bonds. A lot of that will go to BTC eventually. There's only 21 million Bitcoin, but not really 21 million available. Maybe 16 or 17 million are actually out there. So there's not much to go around. When $2 billion wants to find a home in BTC, it pushes up the markets. $2 billion divided by $65,000 per BTC is around 31,000 Bitcoin, over 1% of the supply on the market right now. Start adding other countries, companies, hedge funds, and pension funds, and it goes away pretty quickly. This is just one large company buying 1% of all available Bitcoin on exchanges. Start thinking a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. If you want to buy Bitcoin or long Bitcoin right now, there's a link to Marks underneath the video. Check that out, and to CoinW if you want to spot trade or just buy spot Bitcoin BTC. They also have that deposit event. Thank you so much for watching, I appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.